Captivate Prime sends email notifications to multiple roles of users based on events. And as an administrator, you can customize your email templates that are being sent out to your users by adding or modifying content and sending notifications to users for various events triggered by either the learners, the managers, or the authors. Now, administrators can also choose not to send email notifications for certain events as well. So let's take a quick look at this. First, let's verify that we are logged in as an administrator. And once we've confirmed that, we'll go over to the sidebar here, and under the configure category, we'll see email templates listed here. So once we go to the email templates, you'll see that there are actually three categories of templates as well as specific settings for those templates. You'll also notice that these templates, these emails, can be disabled and enabled at any point in time. So for example, if you're not doing, for example, self-registration, you might as well just simply turn that off completely. Right? We have other ones for in groups of learning activities, reminders as well, and then we also have the settings. Let's take a quick look at the settings here. Under the settings, we have your sender name, which is where the email is coming from. This email address can be adjusted. Make sure that you just communicate with your CSAM or your TAM responsible for supporting your Captivate Prime instance. Down below, there's also banners that can be added for these emails, and these are all customizable. An email signature, however you'd like to complete these messages. If you have a unique URL, that can be adjusted here. And a couple other options here for manager emails, as well as do not disturb if there's certain people that you would like to not include in these messages. You could make that modification here. So let's go back up to the general email templates. And let's just take a quick look at one here. So for example, if I were to look at just a simple welcome email, I could go ahead and open that up in this template. This is designed specifically for learners. If a manager was also supposed to receive an email, that would be listed here, an administrator as well. In this particular case, it's just simply the learner. We can choose different languages to be used for these templates. First option here, we have just the subject line. This can be modified. You can simply click on it, change the text as you like. This other menu option is for inserting variables or objects such as program details, user details, course details, skill details, and badge details. Down below is the actual template of the email. We can make any sort of modifications, add additional text in here if we like, insert these similar learning objects or variables. Let's go and take a quick look at another one. So in this particular case here, let's take a look at the reminders. And for example, the reminders for an reporting on a dashboard that's been shared. Now, this sharing dashboards is something that's for the managers. So this is going to specify that this email is specifically for a manager. Once again, we can update the subject and update the text in the email body as well. At any point in time, if you do make some modifications and you want to go back just to the very beginning, how it initially was set up, you could go back and revert to the original here. And that's it for email templates.